extraordinary event in my life. And basta na lang napunta ako dito. Kalayo-layo ako ng Mindanao. Why do you have to dribble with me? Maraming demonyo dyan. Wala namang problema dyan. Eh, ako satanas, sila demonyo. So, okay, ano problema? You have your choices. Trust, because you'll have to trust me. I cannot do anything sa isang tao with the limited power. Maging, alam mo, hindi ako mayabang eh. Kung wala lang namang iba dyan, wag mo na akong ilagay dyan. I need it like a hole in the head. Ngayon, kung ilagay na ako ng Diyos dyan, hindi ko naman kasalanan, I would not settle kung walang mangyari. Magsisisi rin kaya siguro ko yung masagasaan. I would not sit there tapos pagdakas ko. Nandyan na yung mga pulis. Nandyan na yung... Kasi magkakaso talaga ako. You know, I do it openly. Hindi ba sinabi ko? I mention names. Ina mo pag makita kita, papatayin. And I've done it several times. And I know that, you know, people are just also waiting. Maybe when you are out of office or power, then someday. But I am prepared for that. Pag nandyan ako, hindi ko talaga masabi yan sa akin. Gagawin ako. Ubos lahat yan. Ano to?